Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, the grand experiment. I have mounted that Marx motor in this Santa Fe shell. I've put the covers on it temporarily right now with wire ties, as you can probably tell. Anyway, it is up and running. This is going to be its first trip around the rail as a complete locomotive. And I put a 5-car consist on it just to give it some load. So we're going to see what happens. This is made completely out of junk. All right, power is on. Let's see what happens. Look at this. I have a new locomotive. Now this is going to start out as being a dummy, but as you see, that Marx motor fits in there rather well. So it's basically the same configuration as the Marx 6000. Where the motor pivots in the back and the front trucks pivot on a cross member. So virtually the same as the 6000. The thing is, it's running. This was just an empty shell. It required no modification at all except a hole in the top to put the screw through to mount the motor. So I can put a headlight in this now. As you see, for being made out of junk, this doesn't look bad. This is genuinely kit bashed, as they say. But it looks like a locomotive. It runs like a locomotive. It cost absolutely nothing. It was fun to build. It was a great adventure. That's for sure. A lot of fun doing this. Let's turn this down a bit, run it a bit slower. So this beats building a dummy, that's for sure. I didn't even think about that Marx motor. As you see, it's far from perfect. I mean, this is just assembled out of junk parts, no doubt. The only good thing in this was that motor. Shell was in decent condition. But in any case, I just want to do a quick follow-up video. As you see, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. And this is exactly why. You know, in the last hour, I've built a running locomotive out of a pile of parts. As you see, it looks good, it runs good. So a Lionel shell with a Marx double reduction motor mounted in it. And the motor actually has a coupler on it, so those problems are solved. I don't need the front coupler. So I can add a headlight and I have a new locomotive. As you see, up and running absolutely splendidly. Forward and reverse, by the way. So, in any case, just want to do a quick video. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Anyway, just want to do a follow-up video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.